Leila, the factory supervisor, Mia, factory worker, HR representative, and I am the factory inspector. So here is the scenario. Bright Electronics, our growing electronics manufacturer, has been aspiring orders, putting pressure on the factory to deliver quickly. To meet the deadline, Mr. Leo, the factory supervisor, decided to skip the regular shift checks, hoping to save time. Mia, a diligent factory worker, noticed that some equipment is malfunctioning and could be dangerous. She reports it to Leo, who dismissed her concerns, insisting there's no time to deal with it, and that worker should simply be ordered.
Hello, good day, Bright Electronics Company. I'm looking for Sir Leo. Sir, magpa-deliver na karon of 200 boxes of your products kay dito karon kay ang last na mga product is one kamay na lang kaayo siya and di na kita mo stock na po for incoming days. Thank you.
Hello! Oh my God! Ang sama niya ang factory, sir! Sir! Ay, ay, naunsa, nagubang na dayuan. Naunsa ni. Oh my God. Ini pwede kailangan ko na boxes. Pwede deliver. Kwanto ni. Ay, right. HR. Ma'am, nasa problema man sa factory, ma'am. Unsa man? Kanang adal sa print niya, ang ato kong technology ma'am na dili ko sa tong product, dili siya ma-discover kay Juan, nagbag din ang word. Dili na to sa factory, ma'am. Tara, tuon. Naman, nagbang word. So, taman na. Kailangan na dito ba na print?
O sige, ay kabalakan na ato niya ni Sir Leo para matagan mo siya.
Ma'am, ikaw na bahala kay Sir Leo, ma'am.
Sir, inunay problema sir ba kay ang nasa factory kay nawal nabuhay ng warden di mo na to 200 boxes di sa ulit. Saan mo na to na? Sir, kanang dinero sa tayo at ito ipadayo.
Sir, ma'am, another concern, ma'am. Dili na siya safety, ma'am. Kaya nakukla na dito. Kuhan, ma'am. Kanang word niya. Saan ko man yung 100 boxes for sa kuhan, ma'am. I-deliver, sir. Sir,